KeraFiber Hair Building Fibers, Keratin Hair Illusion Fibers. KeraFiber provides the natural look you've always wanted in a product that's safe, affordable, easy to use, and most importantly, a product that works. All natural organic keratin protein is the main ingredient of KeraFiber hair fibers. These are the same proteins that your real hair is made of. Because KeraFiber's keratin protein fiber restores the thickness of your thinning hair, it's nearly undetectable when examined up close. There's never a need to worry about it falling off or getting wiped off. Through wind, perspiration, and normal head patting, the strong keratin fibers will remain in place, ensuring your peace of mind as you go about your day. And because KeraFiber's hair loss concealer is made out of natural protein fibers, it is completely safe to use. In fact, KeraFiber works so well, most doctors recommend it to their patients instead of hair transplants. You will feel better than before, with a new sense of confidence and assuredness. Top Brass Variety 1 Anti-Dandruff 1 Hair Thickener, 1 Hair Groom. Top Brass lot of 3 in a variety pack. 1 3 ounces tube of ZP-11 Anti-Dandruff Hair Groom Cream in blue box. 1 3 ounces tube of Hair Thickener Cream in yellow box. 1 3 ounces tube of Hair Groom Cream in red box. Thicker Fuller Hair Weightless Vol Hairspry 8 Ounce Cell-U-Plex. Weightless volumizing hairspray now with marine flora. Formulated to prop up the hair strand and invigorate and energize the scalp. Cell-U-Plex blend of pure plant extracts infuses the hair shaft to instantly bodify and amplify fine, thin hair. With revolutionary marine flora complex to stimulate, strengthen, and support longer retention of hair strands. Miracle Hair Premium All Natural Hair Building Fibers. 4 stars. Works temporary but very messy. Fibers get all over floor and counter, like dust. What I hate most, fibers get inside my nose and ears. I wonder if this stuff is safe for my lungs. Each time I use, I have to blow my nose and dig my ears with Q-tip. If I use this stuff every day for the rest of my life, am I going to develop some kind of lung issue? I worry sometimes and wonder if this stuff is tested for lung issues. I've used this product for almost a year and I figured out some ways to apply and clean up that works for me. Cover counter floors before applying product, plug nose with tissue, wear less or no clothes and wash body face after applying. Use combo of small makeup brush and comb to define hairline and spread excess fibers evenly on head. Clean counters floor using baby wipes or wet towel. Cover sofa head part W towel when napping. It sheds this fiber stuff, makes my hair look fuller. From afar, not noticeable at all. Close up is noticeable if not apply evenly or apply too much or in outdoor lighting. Not so much noticeable indoor lighting. Close up if apply evenly. Looks better if you already have some hair or thinning hair. If you're totally bald, this stuff will look like you powder your whole head. And if you accidentally scratch your head or rub your head on something, the fibers rub off, so you may need to reapply. Bring a small mirror and fiber bottle if you're going to a wedding, beach, etc. Keep in mind, fibers will get everywhere when applying, as far as 5 feet from you. It can get on toilet bowl and bathtub too. And you can't see the fibers flying cause they're so small, but when you wipe or clean toilet tub, there's evidence of fibers on your wipes. And the worst part is fibers in your nose, which is why I plug my nose when applying. It amazes me how far these fibers can spread, and it's annoying cleaning afterwards. I recommend applying in a room with hard floors, no carpet. It's a lot of work to clean up, but if you feel confidence at the end, it's worth it, I guess. I'm going to continue to use this product until I find a better solution, and I'm thinking of trying other fiber products too. Best ponytail holders by HBY. Stylish and durable elastics, perfect. I love these. Bought them back in May and I haven't used another hair tie since. I have super thick long hair and hair ties usually can't fit around all my hair, slide off, or pull out my hair when I take them out. But these are perfect because they are super stretchy, keep my hair in place and it doesn't rip out my hair when I take it out. I recommend to all my friends. Top Secret Hair Thickening Fibers Medium Brown. I bought this for my mom. Her hair is thinning out and this product works great at providing a cover up to her thinning spots. The application is quick and easy and it comes with a nice little bag where you can store everything that comes with this kit. I would recommend.